Everyone, Prop Choice here with a special video. When picking a prop firm, you likely consider crucial factors like funding options, challenge types, and trading rules. But how often do you think about who's steering the ship? The leadership of a CEO often dictates what traders can expect in terms of support, growth opportunities, and overall integrity. And that's why today I'm spotlighting 5 visionary leaders behind the top prop trading firms. These CEOs are celebrated not just for their expertise, but also for the significant contributions they've made to the entire industry. Our top 5 CEOs come from diverse backgrounds, some with decades of experience at financial institutions and others who've climbed the ranks as traders themselves. What unites them is their forward-thinking mindset, commitment to transparency, and dedication to the well-being of traders. And now let's meet our top 5 CEOs and discover what makes them truly stand out. Blake Olsen, the visionary founder and CEO of Smart Prop Trader, has established himself as a pivotal figure in the prop trading industry, dedicated to empowering traders by providing exceptional opportunities and expert mentorship. Under his leadership, the firm has introduced tailored educational programs that cater to both novice and seasoned traders. His approach includes the utilization of diverse trading instruments and tailored leverage options. Blake is well known for his strategic foresight, which is evident in Smart Prop Trader's structured scaling plan and evaluation process designed to promote sustainable trading, reflecting a commitment to trader success. As a staunch advocate for transparency, Blake has nurtured a culture of open, forward-thinking discussions within the sector that have significantly influenced the firm's ethos, securing its place as one of the most trusted in the business. Through his innovative leadership and dedication to trader education, Blake ensures Smart Prop Trader remains at the forefront of the industry, fostering not only the growth of the firm, but also contributing to the broader success of the prop trading sector. Edoardo Dalla Torre, CEO of Goat Funded Trader, is one of the most accessible I've encountered. In all my interactions with Goat Funded Trader, he personally responded to my queries with clear and upfront information. Since the firm's launch in May 2023, he's established himself as a key figure in the prop trading world, with the firm celebrated for its innovative approach and commitment to trader success. Originally from a small Italian town, Eduardo's aspirations of becoming a professional basketball player were cut short due to financial constraints, leading him to discover a talent for trading. His real-world experience inspired the creation of Goat Funded Trader, aimed at revolutionizing the prop trading landscape by truly understanding the needs of traders and creating a platform that prioritizes their success and growth. As CEO, Eduardo has mobilized over $1 million in capital to strengthen the firm while fostering a culture of flexibility and empowerment. Under his leadership, the firm has not only provided substantial capital to traders, but has also cultivated a supportive community through a commitment to transparency and setting achievable profit targets that motivate traders to excel. Eduardo leads Goat Funded Trader with a vision that emphasizes flexibility and empowerment, establishing both the firm and himself as major players in the industry. His unconventional path is an inspiring testament to what's possible when entrepreneurial spirit meets opportunity. Matthew Leech, CEO and founder of MyFundedFX, has become a standout leader in the prop trading industry since its launch in 2022. Drawing from his background in finance and technology, Matthew has transformed MyFundedFX into a leading prop firm, renowned for its sophisticated trading technology and top-tier educational resources. Under his leadership, MyFundedFX is celebrated for its flexible trading conditions and trader-centric approach. His proactive engagement on Twitter has fostered a vibrant community dedicated to mutual learning and active dialogue, which has been instrumental in building trust and a sense of partnership among traders. Matthew's leadership style is characterized by a forward-thinking and transparent approach, establishing him as a trusted and refreshingly honest voice within the trading community. He regularly shares valuable insights and addresses industry challenges head-on, reinforcing trust and accountability. His advocacy for prop trading firms as a safe option for traders has spurred important discussions on industry practices and trader safety, positioning him as a key influencer in the evolution of prop trading. With his clear commitment to transparency and trader success, Matthew Leech is recognized as one of the most effective and respected leaders in the prop trading industry. Simon Massey, CEO of Funded Trading Plus, has been a transformative figure in the prop trading industry since founding the firm in November 2021 with a vision to democratize the trading world. Originally working in emergency services, Massey's transition into trading was inspired by a friend. His budding interest quickly evolved into a full-time pursuit, leading to the creation of Trade Room Plus, a platform dedicated to mentoring and supporting traders. This initiative paved the way for the inception of Funded Trading Plus, a prop firm that embodies his commitment to transparency and trader support. Simon's leadership approach is grounded in simplicity and fairness, aimed at dismantling barriers that often hinder retail traders from realizing their full potential. Under his guidance, Funded Trading Plus is committed to setting the standard for exceptional trader support. As CEO, Simon actively engages with the trading community, often participating in live chats to directly address and resolve trader concerns. This hands-on approach has been fundamental in fostering a trusting and supportive environment. Simon Massey's journey from emergency services to becoming one of the most respected figures in prop trading underscores the core ethos of Funded Trading Plus, fostering opportunities for aspiring traders and promoting financial entrepreneurship. As founder and CEO of the 5%ers, Gil Binhur is one of the most recognized leaders in the prop trading space, often regarded as the go-to voice for industry commentary by the media. Since starting as a full-time trader in 2007, Gil has leveraged his extensive experience as a trading coach and portfolio manager to launch the 5%ers in 2016, a platform that has flourished by offering traders substantial capital and growth opportunities through a structured scaling plan. Under Gil's leadership, the 5%ers supports traders in achieving their potential by offering a unique mix of low-risk and high-risk trading account models catering to all experience levels. Gil's philosophy centers on nurturing talent and fostering a community of top traders by creating a culture that values continuous learning and growth. With his pioneering approach and a commitment to empowering traders globally, Gil Binhur is widely considered one of the best CEOs in the prop trading industry. His strategies have not only benefited individual traders, but have also positively influenced broader industry practices, raising standards and expectations for what a prop firm can achieve. Shawn Bon is the CEO of Blue Guardian, a prop firm renowned for its dedication to trader success. Since its founding in September 2021, Shawn has steered Blue Guardian towards significant growth through his advanced knowledge and forward-thinking leadership. By integrating advanced trading technologies such as machine learning and quantitative analysis, he has given Blue Guardian a distinct competitive edge. The firm offers a range of evaluation programs tailored to meet the needs of traders at all levels, from novices to experienced professionals. These programs are designed with notably generous profit splits, reflecting Shawn's commitment to empowering traders to maximize their potential. Recently, Shawn has navigated Blue Guardian through significant strategic developments to adapt to regulatory challenges. Demonstrating his foresight and adaptability, he acquired a regulated broker specifically for Blue Guardian, enhancing the firm's stability and ongoing compliance. In an industry that can sometimes be marred by poor leadership, Shawn Bon stands out for his dedication to transparency, trader support, and continuous innovation. His leadership has cemented Blue Guardian's position as one of the most trusted and reputable prop firms, while setting new standards for best practices. And those are the top 5 prop firm CEOs you need to know about. The best CEOs aren't just figures in the background. They are at the forefront, actively engaged and highly visible, embodying a standard of trust and transparency. Their firms reflect their vision, creating unique and supportive environments that promote education, growth, and community among traders. As we look ahead, these are the CEOs who are poised to play pivotal roles in the future of the prop trading industry. While these are my top 5 picks, there are many other CEOs who deserve recognition. Do you agree with this list, or is there someone else you think I should have mentioned? Drop a comment below and share your views. And if you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more insightful prop trading content. Thanks for watching.